What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I got a special one for you guys. I'm gonna give you two videos in one. We're gonna be doing an oil change on the BRZ, and this is the first oil change we're gonna be doing at 5,000 kilometers. We'll see how the oil filter looks and how the oil looks. Hopefully everything is a-okay. And the second thing, which is the more important one, which I wanted to do for so long, we're finally gonna be installing the Invidia N1 exhaust on the BRZ. You guys can probably hear it right now, it's super quiet. I should really say you guys can't hear it right now because it's super quiet. And right now it's on. I don't know if you guys can tell, but super quiet. We're gonna be changing that today though. Now the first mission is to fit the exhaust in the BRZ trunk. Alright, the exhaust is in. We got the hardware right here, and then we got new Vibrant Performance gasket. So let's get going. So quiet, man. So quiet. Like, this is what I have to listen to every day, you know. Oh, gotta drive slow. Shifting on my left hand too, man. What the? See? So quiet. That was a second gear pull, small pull. Super quiet. And we're gonna change that right now in a bit. So stay tuned. Alright guys, got the exhaust laid out, got the BRZ on the hoist. We're gonna do the exhaust first and then do the oil change. Alright guys, got the BRZ up in the air. This is the stock exhaust. So this is where we're gonna be starting from, all the way to the back. Get rid of this muffler, big heavy muffler. Replace it with the Invidia N1.
I'm more concerned about the gasket.
Alright guys, the hardware, we're gonna have to go get a new one because this is messed up. So we'll continue in like 20 minutes. And the boy just copped this. We're gonna take it for a nice drive, get some hardware. Jeez. All good.
Visitors. Trying to suffer a little bit noisy.
All good. I'm used to it. Bolts plus. Huh? No, I'll just see. New hardware acquired. this on, guys. Alright guys, last bit of tightening the bolts. Exhaust is looking nice. You gotta line it up a little bit because the tips are going to the left on both sides, but god damn, it fills in the space so nicely. Garage is stacked, bro. We got the R8, got a built Civic, and the BRZ. Alright guys, exhaust is on. You gotta wait for this cold start though, because we gotta do oil change first. So let's see how the oil looks. Right?
5,000.
Black as bro. What the? So the exhaust sits on an angle. I don't know if that's normal, but try to put it back in place in the middle, but it doesn't want to go in the middle. Let me know down in the comments if you guys had a problem with this as well. Putting in that Castrol 020. I decided to go with the recommended oil type because I don't want to change it up and then the car up and then I can't take it back to the dealer and then it's all a mission and stupid shit. Alright guys, we're gonna get the first start up. Hit it. Oh shit. Yo, let's go. Invidia for the win. Cold start. Bro, this shit about to be loud. RPM's going down now. We're gonna check for the leaks. Hopefully everything is good.
No leak anywhere.
Let's go. Leak test done. I like the idle too. It's pretty like nice and mellow. Gotta wait till the revs drop a little bit. All right. This sounds so proper, man. So much better than the stock exhaust. Now we ready for the streets. All right, guys, let's see how the sound is from the inside. I like it. All right, guys, driving in the BRZ with the new exhaust. Let's see, there's a tunnel right here. Second gear pull. Pretty loud, pretty loud. Better than stock. This third gear right now, you know, put it in fourth. If you're just cruising, it's pretty quiet. So like, that's what I wanted. You know, I don't want it to be too loud. Because first of all, the cops are getting crazy in Brampton. And you guys already know the driving situation in Brampton. So, you know, gotta stay under the radar. All right, guys, made it home. Gonna get good news reaction and mom's reaction. You wanna hold the camera?
Wow. Oh yeah.
What are your initial thoughts on the tips and everything?
Looks very cool. I like it. You see my chicken legs right there. Damn. Oh, what the hell? And that's a warm start. This guy just drove. Jesus. I can feel that. That's like a 1,000 watt amp in my body.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's deep too.
Yeah,
what
yeah,
is this,
deep.
like 2.4, 2.5? What is
2.4, yeah.
2.4, eh? Wow.
Let's go for a drive.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, man. Chica? Good?
Ôi, मेरी शक्ल नहीं चुन गई।
She doesn't want to be. You gotta blur it out. You gotta fully blur it out. I caught her lacking with the paparazzi. That's pretty good. Yeah, let's go for a drive. Yeah, it's super nice.
I'm gonna put the seats up.
Alright, first drive. This guy's saying what the... Feels like a proper summer day.
Yeah. Quiet. Like this is us cruising, it's proper, you know, like
No trouble.
no trouble with the cops. We don't want that. Like it just sounds like a stock exhaust. And then
Yeah, that sounds good.
yeah,
That's a very good exhaust.
I like it.
What is it? Invidia? No.
Invidia N1.
Invidia. Invidia is a brokerage.
Hello. What's good? How does it sound from the outside?
It sounds good.
All right, guys. So this is what it sounds like with the windows up. I like the sound, man. It's pretty good. It's not like obnoxiously loud, but like it's just the right amount of tone. It's really deep. That's what I really like about it. It's like a really deep sound, so not raspy at all, which is always a good sign. And even when you're inside, like it's pretty good. Next video, we'll probably take off the module and see if it makes any difference from the inside. But right now, if I do a pull, like that's pretty stock inside. It's not that loud. My Mazda 3 was louder. The muffler delete was louder. Yeah, so as I'm getting older, I want like, you know, more of a mellow sound. I don't want it to be too loud. But you never know. This is the first exhaust. I want to try different exhaust setups on it. Because the way it's angled, I don't know if I really like it or if it's not meant to go with the stock bumper. But we'll see. I mean, you know, for the first exhaust, it's pretty good, better than stock, so I give it a solid thumbs up. What do you think?
I also give it a big thumbs up on my end. I think it sounds awesome.
Yeah, Good News been recording from outside, so he's been hearing it, so
I feel like exhausts are always better on the outside, you know?
yeah. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think about the exhaust. Like, I'm really excited to have it on. First mod, so, and hopefully first of many. Now we gotta find the perfect coilovers and all that stuff. So stay tuned, guys. More mods coming soon. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.